Your doctor prescribes the medication they believe is best for you. Then your insurance company says no. Not because your doctor was wrong, not because the medication doesn't work, but because they want you to try something cheaper first. It sounds ridiculous. How can an insurance company tell you which medications to take? The answer is something called step therapy, and it frustrates millions of people every year. The good news, once you understand how it works, you know exactly what questions to ask. Picture this. You've been dealing with migraines, diabetes, arthritis, or another condition for months. You finally see your doctor. They review your history and tell you, I think this medication is the best option for you. You leave feeling hopeful. Then your pharmacy sends you a message. Your insurance won't cover it. You're thinking, if my doctor says I need it, why does my insurance company get to say no? Here's what's actually happening. Many insurance companies use something called step therapy. That means they require you to try one or more lower-cost medications before they'll cover the medication your doctor originally prescribed. Think of it like climbing stairs. Insurance wants you to start with step 1 before they'll let you move on to step 2. Usually that first medication is a generic drug, an older medication, or simply one that costs the insurance company less money. If it works, great. If it doesn't, if you have side effects, or if your doctor believes it isn't appropriate for you, your doctor can often request approval for the original medication. So why do insurance companies do this? It mostly comes down to cost. Some medications cost a few dollars a month, others cost hundreds or even thousands. Insurance companies argue that if a lower cost medication has a good chance of working, it makes sense to try that one first before paying for a more expensive option. Whether you agree with it or not, that's the reason step therapy exists. If your prescription gets denied, don't assume the answer is permanently no. Call your insurance company and ask, was my medication denied because of step therapy? If the answer is yes, ask exactly which medication they require you to try first, then call your doctor's office. Your doctor may agree it's worth trying, or they may request an exception or file an appeal explaining why the original medication is medically necessary. Sometimes those requests are approved, sometimes they aren't, but you'll never know your options unless you ask. Nobody likes hearing the word denied, especially when it's a medication your doctor believes that you need. But denial doesn't always mean the answer is no forever. Sometimes it's simply one step in the approval process. The more you understand how health insurance works, the better prepared you'll be to advocate for yourself. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. And if you want health insurance explained in plain English, subscribe to the Insurance Insider HQ.